Take two. Is it gonna work? Somebody please comment in the box. Somebody comment. It should be working. Anybody out there yet? Why are my comments working? One person on here. Can't talk if you're not commenting. There's wait. We got it. Yes. all right. Hang on. I gotta share some stuff and we'll start talking. People are coming. All right. Ugh, freaking frustrating sometimes. Hang on, it's happening. Hang on. Almost. Wait up. It's coming. I'm gonna share it in there. Hold up. I just gotta get some stuff out there. I made it finally. Oh, good. I'm glad some of you guys are coming on. That's awesome. Hang on a sec. Hang on. All right, so that's out there. Part of just making sure this all works is getting it out. Don't want you guys to miss out, man. Gotta make sure everybody's aware that we're doing the show. All right, I think we're good. All right. Oh, everybody's like, what about iCloud lock? Yeah, so you guys, okay, so I just released that video. All right. Basically, we at Phone Lab, if you guys looked at that video, basically we're just showing you that it can be done. And if you want to learn how to do that and learn all kinds of other things, we're giving you directions to go over to. Sorry, my stuff's like blowing up over here. Giving you directions to go to phonelab.teachable.com and sign up. And if you sign up, you'll get access to the method we're using and be able to remove iCloud or get iCloud removed off of iPhones. So it does work. iPhones, Mac, Apple Watch, anything. Any Apple product, you can get it removed. All right, so Droid Modder X, what's up? And we are back. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. Sometimes the comments don't work and it drives me nuts. $69 Android TV. What about it, Victor? Safe strap. Oh my word. Oh, hash code. I think I still have some straight safe strap links on rootjunkysdl.com. If not, Google Drive, I think I still have some. So if you're still looking for a safe strap for that device, I think they're still out there. What's up? Droid Modder X. So, I don't know if you guys seen this. We gotta talk about it. Let me see if I can pull it up. All right, right here. So, I'm looking at the spec comparison on the Pixel and the Pixel XL. Okay, I don't know if you guys seen this. A lot of new stuff's leaking because it's coming out really soon. I'm sure they're going to announce it here on the 4th, which is, 2 days away. So really looking forward to that announcement. I'll probably do some coverage on a little bit about the announcements. I'll probably write a post on my website, rootjunky.com, and we'll probably do that. But I'm looking at the spec sheet right now for these two devices. And you have the Pixel then, which is the lower end device, and then the Pixel XL. So just looking at the Pixel specs, this thing's only got a 1080p screen. It's got a 2770 milliamp hour battery. So I don't know about you guys, but a phone like that better be sub $400. Because if it's not, nobody's going to buy it. Because you can get insanely awesome phones right now for $400. Like the Axon 7, the OnePlus 3, I think is about that price range. So, I mean, they better do something. I mean, they do both have the exact same processor and the exact same RAM in them. So, that's cool, but I just couldn't believe it, man. A smaller screen, you know, 1080p, not Quad HD. But I mean, they are going to be running both the latest and greatest Android version. We're going to be running 7.1. So these are going to be released with 7.1. Make video for removing iCloud for free. No. How about that? FRP, yes, I see that. So yeah, I don't know. What are you guys' thoughts on the different specs? If you guys haven't seen it, you can go on Twitter. They're all over the place now. Android Talk Android News has got a spreadsheet cut really quick of it. So, John, you made it! You made it! Quad HD is wasted. You know, I don't know. I actually, I mean, I guess I can't see a huge difference between 1080p and Quad HD. Really a ton. If the screens are still good quality screens, it's not too noticeable. But I do like the Quad HD. It's nice. So I don't feel like it's a waste. I like it. And honestly, the Pixel XL has got that 5.5 inch screen, which is definitely what I need. 5-inch screen is too small these days. So, so yeah. Pixel XL is the only one I'm going to want out of those two. I mean, unless the Pixel is just really, really cheap and I buy it just because. But, yeah, we'll see. We are spec heads. The latest and greatest. Yeah, I know. That's exactly right, man. Yeah, yep. Got to get the latest and greatest. I want to know the price point, though, on the Pixel XL. I feel like I'm a little bit not, like, pumped about these new Pixel phones, these new Nexus phones, as I would call them. Just because it's just like, I don't know, it's just... I feel like the phones in general have gotten all to like such a good level that the next one, like if you have last year's Nexus, the Nexus 6P, I don't think that this new Pixel is going to be that much better. You know what I mean? I don't know. So, plus 100, yeah, that's probably about right. I mean, but I don't know. I could see the Pixel XL going for like 650 or something. Motorcycles outside. Yeah, I could see it going for like 650 or something like that. And if it goes for 650, I mean, that's going to be pretty high up there. And if you're talking then the Pixel is going to be, what, 550. There's no way. I would never buy it. So, Nexus 6 on the 4th. Updated Nougat. Yeah, that's the other thing. I'm really wondering when Nougat's going to get updated. That's a good question. When are we going to get 7.1 for some of these other Nexus devices? So, I wonder if we'll get it on the 4th. I hope we do. I hope we can order these Pixel phones on the 4th. I'm assuming we can. That's what it's looking like. So, we'll see. Let's see what else we got here. That's too much, yeah. Daydream. Oh, Daydream. Yeah, I could see that happening. Yep. Yeah, Daydream. That's a good point. I could totally see that happening. I don't know. I'm not. I mean, I've got the VR headsets and stuff. They're cool, but I don't know. I'm not sold on that whole concept for phones. It's just weird for me. September 1st update security patch. Yeah. So there's a way around that if you're on Samsung. I just did a video on how to do that actually. So if you watch that video, you'll see how to downgrade Google Account Manager, and then my FRP application will work again. So there you go, if you don't know. Pixel XL versus Note 7, Seth. That's a good question. Very good question. I'm a really big Note fan. I can't help it. I mean, that's what I'm on right now, live streaming. They're awesome devices. So yeah, it's hard to say. I don't know. I'll have to get one, a Pixel XL. I will buy it because it's from Google. It basically has those Nexus features. Now, I'm a little bit concerned about how well we can unlock the bootloader and do things with it, but I don't know. We'll see. But I'll buy one. You'll know. You'll see my opinions on it. Jack uses a hammer to remove iCloud. How much would it cost? It would cost money to remove iCloud. So you guys are all curious about it. Oh, you guys are killing me. Yeah, Google unlock. Is there any method? Yeah, I don't know how durable they're gonna be, Jack. That's a good question. Yo, fixing things. That's an awesome name. I love it. I love it. So yeah, I'm curious to see what else Google's going to announce in this event. I know that at one point they were talking about that thing like Alexa. Amazon has Alexa. I know Google's talking about their own home, speaker system, and I think Google I/O. So I'm really curious to see that implemented. I definitely want to pick up one of those. But if they're going to have a new Nexus player or Chromecast or whatever they're going to release, I'm probably going to pick up one of each, honestly, and start doing some videos for you guys on them. Yeah, Google Home, exactly. That's what I'm saying. I was actually thinking about getting those like Alexa, what are they called, like Amazon Tap or Dot, whatever they're called. Like a whole bunch of those. You get like 6 of them for like $250, and just like put one in every room. But I was like, I'm not really buying into the Amazon thing. I mean, I have some Amazon products, but it's just not a big for me. So yeah, so Tizen, that's a good question. Did you see that Huawei? See, I'm using my Huawei watch right now. I guess Huawei's supposed to be moving to Tizen. That's gonna. Wow, I was surprised by that. I know that some people have been kind of like upset about the new Android Wear previews, that they're kind of going the wrong direction with them. So I'm curious what Google's going to do about that also. I mean, I put Android Wear 2.0 Preview 3 on this watch right now, and I mean, it's okay, but honestly, I feel like I'm used to some of the gesture things, and they took them off in place of a button, which I think is a little disappointing to me. Hawaii. Or Huawei. Can't even read. John. Raspberry Pi for Alexa. Oh, that's kind of cool, John. That's pretty neat. I've never done that. I wonder how that would work. I have a Raspberry Pi. Very interesting. Gear S2, it's not bad at all. You know what? I really do need to try Tizen. I've actually not owned any Samsung watches. I've been meaning to get the Gear S2. I saw some good deals on it recently, and I was like, I should get it, and I just haven't. I really should. You can't remove iCloud lock. Yes, I can. Well, I can't, but it can be done. Let's put it that way. We have a method that does it. Put it that way. But yeah, Tizen. I need to get one. I need to pick one up. The Gear S2 is a nice looking watch. It's round. I really didn't like any of those square watches. They look just too nerdy, I guess, for me. I like something that looks more classic. So it's pretty nice. Who destroyed iPhone inside Apple Store? Yeah, I did see that. I saw that on social media. He's like just smashing them all. That was pretty funny. Surprised it wasn't on the news or something. Or maybe it was and I didn't see it. I don't watch a lot of news. But no Google Voice. Yeah. Interesting. No Google Voice. I mean, honestly, I use that feature on my watch, the Google Voice feature, but not a ton, believe it or not. The screen's too small to like really search anything with it. So unless you're just asking for weather or some basic stuff, I use my phone anyway. Mainly, I use my watch for notifications. That's the biggest thing I use it for. So if I can get notifications on the Tizens pretty well, I'm sure. And I use Samsung products a lot, so I just need to try it. Who knows? I might be like in love with them. I might be like, this is the best thing ever. What was I thinking? So hard to say. Allo and Duo. That is a great question. Great question. So Allo, I have used it a little bit. It needs to be able to make it your full SMS messenger. And because you can't do that at this point, it kind of sucks. So I want to be able to like just integrate like everything, just like Hangouts. Like right now I use Hangouts as my SMS, which probably isn't the best SMS, but like I use it because I have all these people I talk to on Hangouts through Gmail. So it's just nice to have one application for those kind of texting messages, conversations. So when Allo can do that and I can completely move away from Hangouts, I'll be for it probably. But currently it just doesn't work like that, so it's a pain in the neck for me. It's just another application on my phone that I don't necessarily need. So if it could work like Hangouts and just like integrate right over to it, I'd be happy. All my conversations could fly over there. But at this point, it's just kind of a waste. There's so many messaging applications out there, I don't see any use for it really. And then you got Duo, which is cool, but I don't know. I mean, I've used it. It's nice. It works well. I haven't found a ton of use for it though at this point. Yeah, you just can't go around asking people that. Yeah, exactly, German X. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, huge letdown, John says. I'm with you. I mean, honestly, the Google Assist feature, like built into the conversation threads, is really cool, and being able to talk directly with Google that way through like a conversation style texting is really neat. But it's just like that's the gimmick, but the actual functionality isn't there. So it's like they developed an app on a gimmick, but the base functionality isn't working. So it's irritating. Android 8.0 full Google specs. That would be crazy, but it's not going to happen. It's going to be 7.1. Hey, Daver. Wait, I feel like I know Daver. I think I've talked to you before. Wait. Too many texting. Oh, I'm missing it now. It's going so fast. Every time you guys touch something, it scrolls up on me. Please. Oreo. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I'm trying to read some of these comments. Unlock my. Okay, so ZTE. Dude, guys are asking me constantly about ZTE and FRP. Okay, now this is what I would tell you. Most likely, every single phone that I found so far on the market, I mean, unless they're on like an August security patch, if they're below August, the methods I've already released, because I've made like 23, 24 videos on FRP, some way, if you watched, I mean, it's a lot to watch them all, I understand that, but if you watched all those videos, you will probably find an exploit in them that will escalate you in and allow you to reset FRP. There's just so much out there at this point. I don't have a ZTE phone, so a lot of people are asking me for ZTE bypasses. I don't have them. If somebody wanted to send me one, that's great. I don't really have any desire to go buy one. So if like somebody wants to send me one, like actually here, look at this right here. LG G5, right? Guy sent me this. He wanted me to bypass FRP on it. I did that. That's done. We have FRP bypass right here. Okay, I did it, and actually the video on doing this FRP bypass on the LG G5 I put on Phone Lab. So I am putting more content on Phone Lab. So if you want that specific stuff, especially the security side, I'll still put some on my channel, but I'm gonna put a lot of it on Phone Lab. ZTE. Dude, you know what I need? I really badly need like a PR person who can just contact all the OEMs and deal with that for me. I don't have time to like go nagging OEMs and finding contacts and figuring out free products so that I can work on them. It's a huge headache for me, and it's not something I like doing. So I need somebody who can do that. We got somebody who can do that, man. That's the person I need. Watch his iCloud video. Yeah, there you go, John. Watch it. Wow, more people. I'm not going to tell you through a live chat. It's not going to happen. I don't know what you guys are thinking. I'm good at nagging, John says. I was going to tweet you, but I guess I'm glad you got on here because I know you wanted to get in one. So, when is OnePlus 3? I think well, it's not official end, but I mean, you obviously have CM14 already on the OnePlus 3, or at least there's custom ROMs for it. So if you want to run Android Nougat, you can do that. Sorry, I'm just reading. Yeah, I mean, I know that the Nexus 6, which I feel like should totally still get the update to Nougat, hasn't gotten it yet. And at this point, I'm kind of under the impression that it's not going to get it from Google, which is really sad. I feel like it's still a new enough phone that the Nexus 6 should be getting the Nougat update, and I don't think it's going to. Because at this point, it's been long enough. All the other newer flagships have already got it, and I just have a feeling Shamu's going to die. Yeah, see? He's dying. Where's my Shamu? My Shamu. Dude, I use this phone for a long, long time. And this is still like, it's like a huge phone. Like, it's ridiculously big. But, you know, it's sad. I don't think it's going to get it. I mean, we'll get custom ROMs. Okay, so Blue Blue R1 HD. That's an excellent question as well. So the Blue R1 HD got updated by Amazon, at least the Amazon variant. I think that's what we're talking about here. The Amazon variant got updated by Amazon to version 6.6, and probably next month it'll get updated again. But currently it's on 6.6, last time I looked. And 6.6, they patched the preloader, and basically you can't do anything with it anymore. It's locked. It's you have no functionality. All the tools I've made for that device do not function on 6.6, and you can't do nothing until we find a new exploit. So that's the situation. Sold my Shamu. I should sell my Shamu. I've got too many phones. I need to sell some. You and Max keep phones for years. I do. It's like sad. I like to keep them if there's some kind of new something to cover, so I like to hold on to them, but I need to get rid of some of them. But Max has got that Samsung Galaxy S2. I don't know why. He still shoots videos on it. It's hilarious. I mean, I get it's a decent phone, and a lot of people kept theirs for a long time, but dude, like, that's so old. My S3, and I never had an S2, but S3 and S4 are gone. It's been gone a long time. S5 is gone. S6 is gone. I have the S7, though. What else we got here? I don't get why Google would preview N6. Yeah, wait, see, that is an excellent question, because it was in preview. Dude, I didn't even remember that. That makes zero sense to me. The only thing that would change my mind on that is that I think that there is security problems with that phone specifically, and I think maybe that's why they're not out, putting it out officially. They're trying to figure out those security problems, but I think that maybe they're just non-fixable, and if that's the case, they just never will. I kind of think that's what's going on. So, I love my S4. I liked mine too. Great phone. Excellent phone. Worked quite well. So, yeah, S4 is a good phone. I gave mine to my brother a while ago. October is officially EOL month for Shamu. Yeah, I know. Your 6P was still on beta? That has official firmware. The 6P. Droid Monitor. I put my I rewrote all those firmware packages. They're on my site. Yeah, it's got official 6P is out for a while now. I think it's had 2 updates actually. So you gotta check them out. They're on my site. If you want to flash them and no wipes and all that, it's all there. So yeah, I don't know. You guys maybe don't realize this, but yeah, how's it going, man? Yes, I am live. You guys don't realize this, but a lot of times I put out content in videos that, I put out content in videos and I make a video on something and it's good and that's great. But I do a lot of work in the background, and I put up stuff on files on my website all the time that is not linked to a video. It's not announced even. So you just got to go look at those device folders and see what's up there. I'm not answering that question, Time. Oh my goodness. I booted it like the first time in like a month today. Yeah, I have many devices I haven't turned on in... Shoot, I probably got a device over here I haven't turned on in a year, honestly. What do you think Google's using HTC for Pixels? That's a good question, actually. Why would they be using HTC? I mean, I think Google likes to just rotate through OEMs in general. Obviously, they had HTC with the 5X, so that was HTC. Or not HTC. What am I saying? That was LG. I don't know. That's a good question. I mean, the HTC. What do we got here? This is, I think, the HTC 10, right? Yeah. HTC 10 is an excellent device, honestly. The build quality is really good on it. Security's nice. It's a good device. So, you have to use HTC, they do. Yeah, LG, that's right, yep. Yeah, a great phone, yeah. iCloud link to what video? Did you look through the video description? If you're looking at the video, Tyler, if you're looking for the video which is unedited, which we did do also, it's linked to a YouTube channel. Just look in the video description, you'll see it. Blah. Blah. How can you downgrade FRP lock? Well, what are you downgrading? You have a Samsung phone? You can try downgrading with Odin. It might be able to downgrade you. Palestine. Hey man, nice to see you. The link to the site shows an error. Which site? Phone Lab? OnePlus. Yeah, lots of questions. Hello, Palestine, Daver says. Hello! iCloud trollers? What is this guy? Your views will go up today, iCloud trollers. I guess. Question, no answer. Yeah, but like I said, if you want to know about iCloud, you just got to go to Phone Lab. That's where the information's at. That's where you'll find out. Sign up, become a member, and you'll be good. Phone Lab is really having a problem. Let me look right now. I'll look right now. Hang on. It's phonelab.teachable.com. So let me refresh my pages and see what's going on. Yeah, it's looking okay to me. Pages are loading. I'll do one more.
Welcome to Phone Lab Campus. I'm your instructor, MJ.
Uh-oh.
In this tutorial...
Oh, you're about to hear what was... That was that iCloud video. Whoopsies. Yeah, the site's working fine, man. I know what you're talking about. You're killing the site with all the traffic. Who knows? Maybe I am. Maybe I am. All people want it free. You know what? I do a lot of things free. Actually, everything I do online mostly is free. I like doing it for free. I like giving you guys information, which is fun. It's fun. I mean, there's obviously ads on things. That's how you can make some money. But this online training course that I'm involved in, Phone Lab eCampus, is just not going to be free. It's just what it is. So if you're interested in it, I mean, it's really focused really well on techs and training techs in the industry, in the whole phone repair industry, for cell phone repair shops, and there's some money involved in it because we're sharing some pretty intense, in-depth stuff. So it's the way it is. Children. Rootjunky has to feed children junkies too. That is so true. Oh, that was good. Oh, that's really funny. Tyler, unedited video. It won't let me paste the link to the unedited video. Come on, you're killing me here. Teachable site works. Unedited video should work too. You can't just copy paste it somewhere? Come on. I'm gonna try it right now. Right now. Yeah, dude. That works perfectly. Copy paste does the job. This guy's come a long way since the Droid X2. Oh yeah, John. I know. You've been around, man. You've been around. You've been here with me a long time. Jerry Young. Doing any giveaway soon? Oh no, not the giveaway guy from the first time. I don't know, honestly. Pixel phones, what do you think? I was talking about those already, Jeff. Jeff. Pixel phones. I'm not super excited about them, just to be honest with you. Security has been locked down so strong on these devices on Android Nougat. Even the way of getting root's going to be harder. Even if you can unlock the bootloader, it's just everything's just getting more and more difficult because of the security. Security is good, but it's just been getting really hard. So I don't know. We'll see. Tyrone. Was there? I started. Yep, Droid X2. That's a good phone. Actually, you know what? Actually, it's not even a great phone. It actually kind of sucked at the time. The root method was, I mean, they had one which was good. Because there was hardly any updates, it only had like 3 Android versions, I think, that ever got pushed to it. It was easy to stay on top of what was happening on it, but you had some crazy methods to get ROMs installed and stuff. What a joke. Windows Phone. Really nice. Why root a Nexus if it's already stocked? That is an excellent question. You know, mainly for customization, and this is really my big thing. And I told you guys so many times, I'm just waiting for this to happen. When Google finally implements theme engines, I'm trying to think there, theme engines into their devices where you can really customize your device really, really well. When that happens, then root is really going to become less and less of a need. I mean, there'll be people who want to root so they can, you know, hack games. There'll be people who want to do exposed framework. Exactly, you know, that's exactly what they're going to want to do. So you're going to have different things. People are going to want to hide root from certain applications. You know, people are going to want to do their Pokemon Go stuff. So there's going to be reason for root on any device probably for a long, long time. For developers to develop certain things, they just can't do without it. So that's going to be there. It's just once there's like theme engines built in and some of the other things built into stock Android, it's going to become even less of a thing, in my opinion. So remove YouTube ads? No way. I'm not answering those questions. I don't know why you guys keep asking. Favorite phone to date? Favorite phone to date? That is an excellent question. I'm looking at my phones, trying to decide. That's a good question, man. I've liked a lot of phones. I really like my Nexus 6, honestly. I use that phone like to death as an excellent phone. Right now I'm on my Note 7 and I like it the best currently, but I mean it changes. It changes quite a lot. I mean there's probably like 2 phones that I really love every year. You know, honestly the Note line has been huge for me. The Note 5 I've used for a long time. So Note 7 is really awesome. So, you know, it's good. And yeah, I don't even know how to say it. I tried to pronounce that earlier. The Andromium Jot. That is an excellent question. What do I think about that? I'm looking forward to trying it out, honestly. So we'll see. It'll be interesting. Facebook video. I'll send you a screenshot there. All right, Tyler, do it. Yeah, send me a screenshot, man. You got me. I'll check my messages. Your favorite phone is an iPhone. That's not even close to true. I don't even have an iPhone. Well, no, let me phrase it. I have an iPhone. I have a 5S in the drawer. I never use it. Ever. So, it is what it is. Not a big iPhone person. But, people have them. People like them. So, gotta cover them. Moto Z. That's, yeah, you know what? I still gotta get my hands on one. I guess, who was it? Driven X, you got one, I think. I think you got a Moto Z. Somebody's got one in the mail. I'd love to play with one. I tried to get a hold of, not tried very hard, but tried to get a hold of Motorola for one, but they never got back to me. So, but like I said, I didn't try very hard. Is Nexus 5 good in 2016? Pure hacker. Nexus 5, that's okay. Don't get me wrong. It's an okay device, but it's just really old at this point. I mean, you're a couple years old. It's not even worth having around anymore. At least when it comes to staying up on tech. iPhones boot slow. Yes, they do. Throw it at the wall. Pastrami or roast beef? Roast beef. Yep. Hammerhead's too old. It's okay. Thanks, man. Ozzy. Glad you like the videos. Yeah, so I stay up on these videos, try to keep on top of it. Actually, something I've been working on, dude. I've been working on this thing forever. I finally got a method, though, which is pretty cool. So I kind of been deciding what I want to do, if I want to make a video on it. So I don't know if you guys want to see something on Samsung reactivation lock. So this is what is this thing? S6 active for AT&T. That's what this device is right here. And it was Samsung reactivation locked. So I found a way to get around it, which is pretty cool. But got to decide if I want to shoot that video or not. I'm sure people would like to see it, but it's kind of complicated. It would be a cool video. We'll see. Maybe I'll do it. I don't know. Note 4 better than the 5. I like the 5. Note 4 is good too, but I like the 5. It's got better specs, obviously. It's the newer model. No gaming for me, Keith. No, not much. I played on the Wii at one time. I used to play the Wii and then a Wii U a little bit. But those are like the two gaming systems that nobody plays, so I never got into it very big. Exime. Yeah, I only got a little bit of those. Tom, any love on Priv? What do you want? FRP on the Priv? Some of the methods I've already used work on the Priv. So you can definitely probably implement some of them already. You just got to look around. But I know a guy who actually used one of my methods on his Priv. I don't have one, so I can't test on it. But he said, yeah, I just did this, and he did like a slight variation to what I did, and he got in. So if that's what you're looking for, I mean, watch some of those videos. Like I said, I have a playlist with like 24 FRP videos. They cover all kinds of stuff. Oh, don't let your Note 7 blow up. What was failure? Literally a bomb. Yeah, I got mine replaced. The first day that you could go to T-Mobile and get your Note 7 replaced, I went ahead and I was like, yep, I'm replacing it right now. Waited in line forever. Super irritating. But then got it replaced. So, and now if you guys don't know this, if you're all worried about Note 7s, oh, I can't. What am I doing? My Note 7's right there. I was going to show you. The battery icon is green. That's how you'll know if you got one that's been replaced or not. Was it a failure? Priv. BlackBerry's over, man. And to me, I don't know. To me, BlackBerry's over. I can't imagine them coming back from it, from where they've been. It's just not going to happen. What phone do you have? Note 7. That's what I'm recording on right now. Yeah, iPhone 7 blew up. Yeah, maybe one. I haven't heard much about that. So. Hardware or software based? iPhone, iCloud unlock. That's a good question. It's server based. How about that? Verizon unlimited data. Who's asking me that? Who's asking me that? Jeff. No, I do not have it still. I got rid of it quite a while ago. One point I just wanted to get a new phone, and the only way to get it was to get rid of the unlimited data, and I was like, forget it, whatever. I wanted the phone, I just did it. Now I'm not on Verizon anymore. My wife still's on Verizon. I'm on T-Mobile, but I have unlimited data through T-Mobile, which works great for me. So it works out good. Verizon getting Pixel phones. That's an excellent question. I mean, they got the Nexus 6. Did they get the 6P? I don't think they did. I don't know if they will. I mean, if it was a Motorola phone, I think that's why they got the Nexus 6 is because it was Motorola. So if it was Motorola, I think they would get it. But being HTC, I just don't know. Unhappy with carrier sending updates so slow. No, you know what? Actually, I wish they would slow them down because every time they send a new update, it patches something in my FRP method. So I would kind of, for me personally, I mean, I like more updates because of security fixes, but for FRP methods, it makes it harder for me because when I find a new one, they patch it in like 3 months, and I got to find another new one. So that's kind of a pain. What if Google shut down Android project? It's not going to happen. They're too big. For Google to get rid of Android, just like think of it overall, right? The only way that could happen is if, and Google's so big, some new organization came in and started this new operating system that's amazing, right? And if that happened, Google is so massive, if they started to build ground and overtake Android in some form in the market, Google would just buy that Android version or that operating system, whatever it is. They would buy it. And then they probably just implement it and integrate it back into Android and it'd still be called Android. So Google's like the machine you can't stop at this point. It's just too massive. So Lenovo K3 Note. Yeah, I don't even know if I had that phone anymore. I had to look. I don't think I do. I think I got rid of it, so I can't do much with it. Sorry. Football magic. Sorry, man. Wish I could help out. All hail Google. Yeah, well, I don't know. Google is Google. Have you guys heard? This is kind of interesting, actually. Have you guys heard that Google is looking into doing Wi-Fi internet for homes? So basically, you'll get a Wi-Fi router that you'll put in your house, and it'll rebroadcast Wi-Fi, but it'll get it from a Google tower. I think they're going to implement it through like Project Fi, but it'll be like a router that connects to Project Fi, which will be using existing towers, and then they can market that everywhere instead of just like Google Fibers only in a certain area. So that would be really cool to have Google's internet, because I think you'd be getting pretty decent. I think you'd be getting as fast as speeds as you can possibly get from them by doing that method, and that allows Google to get into all these homes and give faster internet at a better price than like Comcast or whoever your carrier is where you're at. So we get a good price and you get Google internet. I'm really excited about that. I want to see what's going to happen with it. So it'll be interesting to see what kind of speeds they offer and things like that. So I'm hoping they get into that, because I mean, if you think about it, the reason Google is even getting into the internet game with Google Fiber and things like that is that Google makes more money the faster the internet is. It's the more data collection they can do. It's the more ads they can show you, put in front of your face. So the faster the internet is, the more money Google makes exponentially. So it makes sense. I mean, Google wants faster internet for everybody, so it just makes sense for them. Verizon can't bootloader unlock any Nexus. Yeah, you can bootloader unlock a Nexus on Verizon. S6. Yeah, the Nexus 6 has bootloader unlock on Verizon. Pretty sure. If you can't, that's just dumb. Who would buy that? I switched from Verizon to T-Mobile. Yep. I love the unlimited data coverage. Yep, it's very nice. So, the only problem with T-Mobile is it's not good in rural areas. Like out in the country and stuff, it's just not good. Yeah, Comcast router already does that. Comcast home routers broadcast a second signal that any Comcast customer can get onto your router. Yeah, I think it's super bad. I mean, I know there's firewalls in place and things like that, but it's crappy. I turn that thing off instantly. You got to go into your router settings. And I think you can do it from the website, from Comcast website, and tell it to kill that service. So. The tech. Equinox. Well, that's great. I'm glad you used my tools and my information. I'm glad I could help out. T-Mobile sucks. Yeah, in some locations it does. It's not the greatest, but where I'm at over here near Chicago, kind of suburbs of Chicago, it's great here, man. The coverage is amazing as long as you're by big towns. And, like I said, if you go south too much, on the highways and the main towns are fine, but you get in the country at all and you're driving down a back country road, you got nothing. So, which is one of the reasons I have my wife still on Verizon. Just so that somebody's got a phone that works. So, anyway. Alright, guys, what else you got going on? Anything exciting? About to wrap it up here. Bootloader unlock. Anybody got any more questions? It's hard to catch all this stuff. So much stuff in the feed. So, yeah, not too much in there. Yeah, yep. Tyrone. Alright, well, I'm going to wrap it up, guys. I got work tomorrow. But just want to, these are kind of fun for me. I get to come on here and talk to some of you guys about things going on. Some things that are kind of new in the news. And, probably do it again next week. I know I try to do it either Saturday night or Sunday night. So if you guys have questions for me, even if you're not technical, you just want to ask me a question about something in my life, I don't care. I'll answer the best I can. And be able to, talk to you guys, and if I can point you in the right direction to get to something or check something out, we'll definitely do that as well. So, all right, guys, it's going to wrap it up for this live broadcast, and we'll definitely catch you probably next week. So, catch you guys in the next one. Rootjunky out.